Topic: Space missions. In this Do You Know episode, we explore the most daring space missions ever launched, from emergency rescues in orbit to probes now traveling beyond our solar system. Some missions nearly failed, some changed human history, and some are still moving through deep space, billions of miles away. Because once you leave Earth, there is no turning back. But before we continue, if you are not already subscribed, please go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel, Net New Universe, so you don't miss the upcoming videos like this. 1. Do you know Apollo 11 almost didn't land? In 1969, computer alarms flashed during descent. The onboard system was overloaded. Mission Control had seconds to respond. They chose to continue, and humans walked on the moon. 2. Do you know Apollo 13 survived an explosion in space? In 1970, an oxygen tank exploded mid-flight. The crew lost power and life support. Engineers improvised solutions from scratch. It became NASA's greatest survival story. 3. Do you know Voyager 1 is now in interstellar space? Launched in 1977, it passed beyond our solar system. It carries a golden record with Earth's sounds. It still sends faint signals back home. It may travel for billions of years. 4. Do you know Hubble was blurry at launch? In 1990, its primary mirror had a flaw. Images were distorted and unclear. Astronauts repaired it in orbit. It became one of history's greatest telescopes. 5. Do you know the James Webb Telescope unfolded in space? Launched in 2021, it folded like origami. Its sunshield deployment had over 300 steps. One failure could end the mission. It now sees galaxies from the early universe. 6. Do you know Sputnik 1 started the space race? In 1957, the Soviet Union launched the first satellite. It beeped as it orbited Earth. The US was caught off guard. Global politics changed overnight. 7. Do you know the first spacewalk nearly failed? In 1965, a Soviet astronaut exited his capsule. His suit expanded dangerously in vacuum. He struggled to re-enter the spacecraft. He survived by releasing air from the suit. 8. Do you know the ISS orbits Earth every 90 minutes? It travels at nearly 28,000 kilometers per hour. Astronauts see 16 sunrises each day. It has been continuously occupied since 2000. It's the longest-running human habitat in space. 9. Do you know Curiosity landed on Mars using a sky crane? In 2012, rockets lowered the rover by cables. No full-scale Earth test was possible. It looked impossible on paper. It worked flawlessly on Mars. 10. Do you know Ingenuity flew in Mars's thin air? Mars's atmosphere is only 1% as dense as Earth's. Many doubted powered flight was possible. In 2021, it lifted off successfully. It proved flight beyond Earth. 11. Do you know the Challenger disaster happened 73 seconds after launch? In 1986, a damaged O-ring failed. Cold temperatures worsened the problem. The shuttle broke apart in view of millions. NASA's safety culture changed forever. 12. Do you know Cassini ended its mission by diving into Saturn? After 20 years in space, fuel ran low. NASA intentionally crashed it in 2017. They wanted to protect Saturn's moons. It transmitted data until the final second. 13. Do you know China landed on the far side of the moon? In 2019, Chang'e 4 touched down. The far side never faces Earth. Communication required a relay satellite. It marked a historic first. 14. Do you know SpaceX lands rockets vertically? Reusable boosters return to Earth. This was once considered science fiction. It reduced launch costs dramatically. Private spaceflight became mainstream. 15. Do you know the Parker Solar Probe touches the Sun? Launched in 2018, it enters the Sun's corona. Temperatures exceed 1,000 degrees Celsius outside its shield. It studies solar storms directly. It flies closer than any spacecraft before. 16. Do you know? Laika was the first animal to orbit Earth. In 1957, she launched aboard Sputnik 2. The mission tested life in space. She did not survive re-entry. Her mission paved the way for human spaceflight. 17. Do you know? New Horizons took 9 years to reach Pluto. Launched in 2006, it arrived in 2015. It revealed Pluto's heart-shaped glacier. The dwarf planet surprised scientists. It changed our view of the outer solar system. 18. Do you know? Artemis plans to return humans to the moon. NASA aims for a sustainable lunar presence. The mission includes building a gateway station. It prepares for future Mars missions. It marks the next era of exploration. 19. Do you know? The first private crew launched in 2020. SpaceX transported NASA astronauts. It was the first commercial crewed mission. It ended U.S. reliance on Russian launches. Private companies now shape space travel. 20. Do you know? Some spacecraft will outlive humanity. Voyager 2 continues drifting into deep space. Its power will eventually fade, but it will travel between stars, carrying a message from Earth. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Net New Universe, so you don't miss my upcoming videos like this every week.